Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my live Q&A. Today I'm going to talk about how to win a green card to the US. So before we start, I want to show you actually the official site where you can apply for a green card, because I'm doing this live. So many questions I'm receiving regarding green card. Is it on this year? Can I still apply? Where should I apply? Is it free? Do I need an attorney? So I'm gonna answer all these questions today. And to start with, it's free. You do not need attorney, and you can apply as long as you meet the requirements that I'm gonna discuss later in this video. So stay tuned. So is it free? Yes, you can apply, and you can actually apply only in October. The month of October is when the application registration period starts. So I think it's all October 7th and it will be over November 4th. So you will go ahead and I'm going to show you the link where you can actually apply. So all the confusion is gone. Let's see if this works. Let's see. So this is the official link, www.dvlottery.state.gov, and here you will be able to apply. However, now you cannot apply because the registration is still not open. All you can do now is to check the status here, and you will be able to check your status the next year in May. And this year it was May 2nd, so when you apply, make sure to save the confirmation number. It's so important, because if you lose the confirmation number, you will not be able to apply. And this is the only official source where you will be applying for your green card diversity visa lottery. Other websites, if someone is asking, like, should I pay somebody? I mean, you can pay somebody, you can pay anybody if you don't want to do it yourself. But there are so many scammers who are saying that, okay, I will do it for you, give me $100 during the whole year and I will apply for your green card. Not really. The only time you can apply for a green card is during the month of October, and this is the link that I'm showing on the screen, dvlottery.state.gov, where you can officially apply for your green card, your diversity visa lottery. Okay, guys? So I want you to understand this. And also, you don't need to pay anybody, right? Back to me. I'm here again. You don't need to pay anybody unless you want to pay somebody who will take care of it. You don't really need a lawyer. This is not like a typical green card. So there are other ways how you can apply for a green card, actually. I did a YouTube video, 5 ways how you can apply for a green card, and I'm gonna show you the video. You can play it later after this live is over. Look, this is the video, 5 ways how you can get a green card to the US, so you can search it on YouTube. And there are the 5 ways how you can apply. So, pretty simple. You can apply through asylum, through job, employment, family, marriage, and investment. Last time in my previous live Q&A, I was briefly discussing EB5 green card option. So that is one of the ways how you can apply. And of course, there are other ways. So through employment, through marriage, family, and one of them is lottery. So this is pretty much not the typical way how you can apply. And it's actually the fastest way if you do win your green card. So definitely it's worth trying, especially this year, because we don't know if the green card diversity visa lottery will be on next year. We do not know. Send me detail, please. Pirzada. Hi there. Feel free to ask any question, guys. Now, if you want to go, and you asking me, like, I'm receiving so many messages, like, send me details. How do I apply for a visa? Thank you so much for all your questions. But it's impossible for me to reply each of you guys with all the details, like how you can actually apply. Therefore, I did a brochure that you can download. It's free. You can download the brochure, and in the brochure, I'm explaining who is eligible, how you can apply, all the details that you need to know, and you can download the brochure in the link. If you check the link about this video, you can go ahead and click on that link, or I'll actually show you where you can go ahead and download the free brochure with all the details. Hello, Nafes. Hope I pronounce your name correctly. So here we go. I'll show you where you can download the brochure. The free brochure, you can get it here on this website, ImmigrationBiz.com/brochure, and there are all how you can apply. Now, if you do have questions right now, you can pause them and ask me the questions. I'm happy to answer all your questions right now during this live Q&A. And I also received a bunch of questions already, so I'm gonna be answering them as I go. Should I apply for a green card? It's up to you. If you are eligible to apply for a green card, even though if you do have a visa already, if you are in the US or outside of the US, as long as you are eligible, you can apply for a green card. Now the question is, who is eligible, right? Great question. There are only certain countries eligible. Thank you, Nafes. Certain countries are eligible. Most of the countries are actually eligible, and I'm going to talk about the exceptions right now. So I'll tell you what countries are not eligible, and the rest is eligible. So in Africa, Nigeria is not eligible. Now, Asia region, the following countries are not eligible: Bangladesh, China mainland, India, Pakistan, South Korea, Philippines, and Vietnam. These are the countries that are not eligible. Now, European countries that are not eligible are following: UK, Bermuda, British Virgin Islands, British Indian Ocean Territory, Cayman Islands, Gibraltar, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Pitcairn, where is this country? Oops. South Georgia, South Sandwich Islands, never been there, St. Helena. In North America, these countries are not eligible: Canada and Mexico. Now, South America region, these countries are not eligible: Brazil, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Jamaica, Mexico, and Peru. The rest of the countries are eligible. Thank you so much, guys, for your comments. Appreciate it. Ask me relevant questions if you wish. So these are the not eligible countries. The rest of the countries are eligible. And again, you can read more about them in my brochure that I did for you guys. And you can access the brochure. I'll show you. You can access the brochure right here, ImmigrationBiz.com/brochure. All right. Hi guys. Thank you so much for your comments, your likes, your hearts. Okay, so the other question is, how does the green card lottery work? So as I mentioned, eligible countries can apply, and there is also another number 2 requirement, which is the education. So you basically either need to have high school diploma or equivalent. So if you don't, you cannot apply. Also, there is age restriction. You need to be at least 18 years old. So if you are younger, you cannot apply. However, your parents can apply, and they can include you in the petition. So oftentimes I'm asked, like, okay, how do I increase my chances to win? And what are the odds of winning? It's like, based on the statistic, is 1 in 50. That is the statistic. You can increase the odds of winning if you are married. Your spouse can also apply, and this way you basically have a higher chance of winning, because then in that case it will be like 1 in 3 or 1 in 2.5, right? So yes, definitely you can increase your chances this way. So ask your spouse to apply and include you in the petition, and you apply, include your spouse and kids if they are below 21 years old. Now your child can also apply if the child is 18 years old, and can include you in the petition. But even if your spouse wins the green card, then it'll be like a longer process. However, if your spouse wins the green card, she can include you, attach you, and get a green card as well. Okay, another question. Nafez Khan, hi, you need my help. I'm happy to help you. What's your question? Okay, so another question is, what are the risks associated? Actually, there is not really a risk associated. Only a risk, if you can say it's a risk, is that if you apply for a green card and you are selected, then your current visa status will be changed, will be abandoned. So for example, if you plan to travel on non-immigrant visa, like a tourist visa or something like that, before your card is actually issued, the visa will be cancelled. So you will be outside of the US for some time. Because normally the way how you can apply, even if you win the green card, you have to put the package together and you will apply through consular processing in your country. So that means that you have to actually fly to your home country and apply there. You cannot really stay in the US if you win the green card. You cannot like adjust the status and never leave the country. You know what I mean? Okay, another question is, can I immediately travel to the US? Well, not really. You will need to wait. The processing time is about a year and a half, so you cannot immediately travel. Ciao, Andre. Tschüss. There is my friend and actually previous client. We did E2 investor visa for him. So he is running actually very cool company, Ship to World. Definitely check it out, right? Please write your link where they can access your business. I'm sure many people would love to use his company, especially if they need to ship any goods and stuff. So anyway, so the question was, so basically you will need to wait year and a half while the card is processing, while you actually receive the green card. So first you basically apply, you put the package together, and then when you go to the US, you will receive the green card in a mail. So it might take year and a half, so you not immediately get the green card. It takes some time, so you have to be aware of that. Okay. Can I bring my kids? Yes, as I mentioned, if the kids are under the age of 21, you can definitely bring them with you, but you will have to file petition I-130. Same thing applies to your spouse. Is there any paperwork involved? When you're applying for this green card, when you apply for a green card lottery, there is no paperwork involved. All you have to do to go at that website that I show you, and I'm going to show you the website again, because that's the only official source where you should apply. No other website. Don't use any website, otherwise it's either scam or you are paying somebody. Otherwise, it's totally up to you, but I recommend you can totally apply by yourself. It's not heavy paperwork that is involved. I'm sure you can do it yourself. And if you have any questions, you can totally ask me below this video. Okay, I'll show you the website. So this is the official source, the only website where you can actually apply. This is possible to apply in October 5th. Actually, sorry, you have to double check, but I think it's 7th. No, sorry, October 4th, 2017. And the registration period ends November 7th, 2017. Okay, so this is the official source where you apply. Alrighty, so another question is, and I think I already answered this one. Do I need an attorney? No, not really. You don't need an attorney. Okay, I'm looking at the questions now, so give me some time, guys. Send the link of the website. I cannot send the link right now during this live chat, but definitely I will post it below. If you want, you can download the free brochure I did for you guys, and the brochure link is up there. You can see the link and you can get the brochure, and the brochure has the link where you can actually apply. What is the official link? Another question, will the green card affect my current residency? Not really. It will definitely not negatively impact your residency. However, if you win a green card, you have to be in the US at least 6 months out of the year. Thank you so much, Andre. So he's sharing the link. You can see, guys, now. So basically, you can, when you are in the US and you have a green card, you need to stay 6 months out of the year. If you stay longer than 6 months, you either have to explain it or you need to apply for a waiver. If you stay longer than 12 months, then your green card, you might lose the green card. So if you plan to travel back and forth and you want to spend time outside of the US, then I would recommend a different type of visa. If you run a business, you can consider E2 visa as an option. It really depends what are your goals. If you want to be permanent resident in the US, that's why green card is for you. If you are thinking to run a business in the US but still traveling, then E2 investor visa might be better for you. Always keep in mind that if you hold a green card, you are sort of stuck in the US. You gotta be there at least 6 months out of the year. So in that way, it might negatively impact your residency, if you call it that way. How many times can I apply for a green card? Once a year only. In October, registration period starts in October, as I already discussed, closes in November. And it might be actually the last time you can apply this year, to be honest. It might be the last time. We don't know, like there might be a change. Immigration reform, you know, stuff like that. I'm sure you heard. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is it about a green card, how to win a lottery. If you have any questions, please post them now, and I'm happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and definitely get the brochure, free brochure, how you can apply with official links. It's for free, and keep in mind that you don't have to pay anybody. This is totally free. Be aware of scammers. And good luck. And one thing, again, I have to mention this. Do not forget to save the confirmation number at the end, because if you lose the confirmation number, there is no way you can actually check whether you won, and you will need the confirmation number next year. So next year, May 2nd, you will need it, and the only way how you can actually check if you won is, again, the official site, the official link. And I'll show you the link again, once again, right now. So this is the link. You will be able to check whether you won the green card or not. Right here, you will be able to click on check the status. Let's see what's there now. And you will be able to see if you won. Okay, the list of countries that are eligible, and the list is in the brochure. Again, the link is above this video. I don't think there is a official list of countries that can apply. I don't know. I did my own research. So most of the countries are eligible. 50,000 people each year are receiving green card. So the odds are 1 in 5. So, okay guys, thank you so much for watching this live Q&A, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye. Okay, finish. Bye.